How to preview your tax return online on H&R Block. Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of H&R Block, provide your credentials, and log into your account. From the main dashboard, locate the navigation menu. Click on Summary or Federal Taxes to access an overview of your tax return. Look for the option labeled Preview My Tax Return or Print or Save Return. H&R Block provides a PDF preview of your tax return, which includes federal return details, state return, deductions, credits, and tax summaries. Choose the option to view or download the preview. Carefully examine the details of your return in the preview. Check your personal information, name, social security number, and addresses are correct. Verify that all the income sources, such as W2S and 1099S, are accurate. Double check any deductions or credits you are claiming. Ensure the calculated amount matches your expectations. If you spot errors or need to update information, return to the relevant section of your tax return. Make corrections and save your progress. Download the PDF preview of your tax return to save it for your records. You can also print the preview for offline review or to share with a tax professional if needed. Once you are satisfied with preview, go back to the dashboard and click on File. Follow these steps to complete and submit your return electronically. By following these steps, you can preview your tax return online in H&R Block and ensure everything is accurate before filing. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.